the outlet that's in this little center console is not always on. Let me show you how to do that in case you don't know. Here on your screen, you're gonna go to the middle main menu button. You're looking for outlets and mods. This screen that comes up is going to be for all your power feeds and your outlets. Now when the outlets are turned on with this button, all three of the outlets in the truck will come on. You notice here the little light up display comes on that shows it is indeed on. But this is just on until the truck goes to sleep. You do have some other options to force it on longer. The middle one for a 12-hour period, or the top one, which is when I leave it on, it turns on when I enter the truck. And in case you're wondering, what I was wondering when I got it is how fast of a charger is this? And the answer is pretty fast. I've charged up about 10% of my phone in the last just maybe 5-6 minutes or so. So it's about as fast as anything you'd have on your outlet as one of those 2, 3, 4, 5 amp chargers. So pretty quick charging, which is really great news. So in case you're wondering, how do you install this? Will it work in conjunction with any kind of console tray you have in your center console? How does it all work? Well, let me show you. As I flip this up, you can see down inside, again, looks totally natural. And when I shut this, it's resting here on the bumpers. It's not actually resting on the charger. So I have a little console tray here which comes out. Then below this I have another one. Now this was a little tricky, as you can see. The back side of this does go slightly over, but again, nothing too crazy. It still kind of pulls out with just minimal effort. Next, I have the little console safe. I did have to carve out just a little bit of area to get my cord through, but as I open this here, you'll see down below here is where I'm going to plug in all the way inside to where this is going to go. So far, through the last few days of having this in my truck, I've just set it here. But as you notice here on the underside, there's multiple different levels of double stick tape that will adhere along this side and along here. This back little lip is going to stick out just behind this to let the cord go down. As you can see here, by design, it sticks out just a little bit far to let this cord go down and plug in, and the cord is exactly the right length to fit through. You don't have a bunch of extra cord wound up. So if you have a console safe like I do, this will close back down. That can lock. Then I have a console tray. I did notch out just this tiny little notch right here to fit around my cord. And I'll just slide this back into place. And then I have my top tray that goes right on top like so. Then I can shut it and it's going to sit in here like so. I have not taken the tape off of this, and to be honest, I'm not sure if I will because it fits really nice in here. It doesn't really have anywhere to go. The cord's holding it tight. This sits down. Now, if you're 100% sure this is the way you want to go, stick it down, you'll be good. And although I've yet to try it, it is available to mount on a desk inside your home as well. If you like this as much as I do and you want one for your own truck, jump on Test Studio's site, grab one today, and as always, use my channel name Charisma to get the maximum discount you can when using it as a promo code. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.